Hi guys, this is Rachel at WTI and I want to show you guys these awesome Oakley hollow bricks. So these are great. They have the gold lenses with the classic black frame, which is really nice. These are great for the summer. They're great for the winter. These are actually my son's. He absolutely loves this style because it suits his head perfectly, and the frames he really likes because if you ever want to switch out the lenses, you are able to. They just pop right out. These are not polarized, but they still give a lot of protection from the sun. They're super great, especially we're getting the cold weather, so they're great when the snow comes out to be able to protect your eyes from the sun. Super comfortable. The plastic Oakley lens is really nice because they feel super comfortable. They don't feel like they're gonna fall off. They're very heavy duty as well. Great for sports. He's a big snowboarder, so he likes to be able to have something that he can have when he's not going down the hill and he's getting ready. He likes to have those. He likes to use them for fishing. He likes to use them for anything really outdoors and sporty, whether it's volleyball. There's something that's super comfortable. They're going to stay on your face. Oakley is such a great brand, and the hollow bricks are absolutely amazing. I'm pretty sure he has many different styles because he absolutely loves the way that these fit, but that's just my point of view.